What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a troll face. Let's begin in the center page with the left eye. We're going to start right in the middle. We're going to start with a curve going up and then out. Now from the outside we're going to draw the top of the eyelid. We're going to go up, across, and then back down. Now let's draw the edge of the eye coming around, and then we'll fill the right side in black. From this point we're going to add a fold. We're going to go up and then across. Now let's move over and draw the right eye. We're going to start with the bottom edge. We're going to go up and then out. Go back to the side. We're going to round up the eye, come across, and then back down. Now let's draw in the pupil, starting with the left. Curve this around. Go to the right side, round this out, and then we'll fill the inside of the pupil. Now with the eyes in place, let's work our way across the nose. Let's start back on the left. Draw a straight line coming down. Bend this out and then down. Down and in. And draw a short line going up. Now let's move over towards the right. We're going to add the nostril. We're going to go up and then out. And then wrap the nostril going all the way around. Now let's go all the way over to the left side. We're going to draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start up here, curve this down, go across underneath the nose, and then pull that all the way up on the right side. And then we'll add a bracket coming down and then out. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the bottom of the mouth. We're going to come around, across the bottom. Now I'm just going to pull that up towards the right. Let's draw the bottom edge of the teeth. We're going to curve this across and then bend that out. Now we're going to leave a gap in between the teeth. So we're going to start back on the left side, going across and then up. Let's fill that center area in black. Let's separate the top row of teeth. We're going to start right in the middle with a straight line coming down and draw these straight lines going out, working our way towards the left. Now go back to the center and work our way over towards the right. Let's separate the bottom row of teeth starting in the middle, add a few lines over toward the left, and add a few on the right. Now we're going to add some wrinkles across the side of the nose. Let's start on the left. We're going to come down and out, go on the outside of the nostril, come down, out, and then down. Now we're going to add a bracket across the corner of the mouth. I'm going to come around, up, and then out. Now underneath the right eye, coming down across the cheek, around the corner of the mouth, and then bend that in. On the inside of the eyes, we're going to add a fold, going up and out on both sides. Now on the left, we're going to draw a curve. We're going to go up and then in, go over towards the right, go out, and then down. Let's add a few wrinkles across the forehead. We're going to start on top of the left brow, going up, down, up, and then down. Let's do that again. Stepping over toward the left, go up, down, up, and then down. We're going to add a few wrinkles on the corner of the right eye. Let's add some folds across the corner of the mouth. Start with the first curve going around, step up beside the eye, going all the way around, and then in. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to start on top of the cheek, going out, around, and then in. Now let's go to the bottom of the mouth. We're going to add a small curve across the bottom, step out, add a longer curve going across, and then up, step out, and draw that again. And now I want to draw the outside perimeter of the head. Let's start all the way over on the left side, right about here. We're going to curve this up, go across, and then out. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to start by coming down, go around the cheek, bend this in, and work our way down towards the chin. Coming down, and then out. Let's round out the chin, come up in an angle, and pull that up towards the cheek. Let's go back up to the top right, bend the head, coming out and then down. Just going to round out the cheek. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of troll face. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.